you the very preparation. Well prepared. And preparation, of course, involves a whole lot of things.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right. Good morning, everyone. Morning. You gotta turn on your cameras, but you gotta turn on your microphones and say good morning to your boy.
Hey now.
All right. Hey. What's going on, Winnie? What's going on, y'all?
Morning. What's up, man?
Hey. Good morning and welcome to Pips and Burpees. It is Wednesday, September 15th, 2021, and we are all blessed to be sitting here and alive for another day where we can work on our wallets and our waistlines. We're going to have a wonderful trade day today, and we're going to kick it off by doing our new burpees, getting in shape, getting our positive mental attitude ready. Oh man, so how my price trappers do yesterday? How'd y'all do? How'd y'all do trading yesterday?
I overtraded, so I caught my lessons. I was up and then I overtraded. I didn't need to trade anymore.
Okay. And I thank you for that honesty because I did the same thing. I overtraded, and I was up. I was up probably like about $200. I definitely effed it off and I ended up being down like $50. So I totally understand. And what are we gonna learn from that? What did we learn from that? I want to hear what you learned from it first, and I'll tell you what I learned.
I'm gonna stop. When I reach the goal that I've already put, I need to build an extra account and just go in that if I want to play.
Yep.
But I don't need to touch the other account once I reach that goal.
Yeah. And then
I should have been a demo. I really should have been.
I thought the same thing too. I was like, why didn't I just get the demo?
Because I knew I was playing.
Lessons learned. That's good. All right. Well, guys, let's take a look at NAS100. So yesterday, if you're on the call, I pretty much said exactly what was going to happen. I said that it's going to kind of do what it did before by shooting up and then shooting down. And damn if that's not what happened yesterday. Let me get over to the daily view here. Ooh. Sorry. Well, not sorry. My screen just has lots of shit on it because I always have lots of stuff on it. Now, it is currently right here trying to build back up from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-day drop from the high of about 15,662 to now we're down in the 15,430 area, which consequently isn't too far from where we were yesterday. So let's get over to the hour. Now it looks like we've been in a slight downtrend. I want to go ahead and mark this up with a trend line. Not right there, dude. Let's go from like right here. And we're on the hour. So it's gonna stay on this downtrend until it cracks. I would say about this 15,513 area, which is where we took a buy the other day. Until it cracks about this area, it's still technically in a downtrend. So let's go down to the 30-minute. See what we're talking about. All right, 30-minute. We get in here. And we've pretty much been in consolidation on a slight uptrend for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for the last like little while. So it is trying Let's get some good looks here. It is trying to go up. And for the last 15 minutes or so, let's get down to our 15 minutes. It has been on a sell for the last 30 minutes or so. Let me zoom in here. This is, well, no, let's go down to the 5 minute because that's really where I'm going to start marking off what we got to do. All right, so let's put support and resistance in here. Hey, if anybody wants to say anything or like, you know, has any questions, you feel free to speak up. Because I'm really not looking at the chat or anything like that, so I want to know if someone is in there. But if you have any questions, concerns, anything, just say something. Yeah, let's see what time it is. Make sure we get. All right.
Yeah, I'm just coming in from work, so give me a second. I gotta get set up.
All right. We don't kick off the burpees until about, you know, 6:25, 6:30. We're looking at the chart right now. We're looking at NAS100. If anybody has any other charts they would like to look at, feel free to holler at me and we will look at them. Doesn't mean I know anything about them, but I do know how to mark up charts, and I do know how to look at trends and stuff like that. So, you know, even though it's not my pair, I will definitely look at the pair for you. So we're really just in some consolidation. I'm sorry, we don't call it consolidation in price trappers. We call it bullshit. We're in some bullshit right now. We've been in some bullshit for the last 10, 15, 20, 25, for the last couple hours here. But in general, as we go back to the 30-minute, we're still in a downtrend. You know, overall we're in a downtrend and we're in a slight uptrend with a down sequence. That's what I'm seeing. Let's get down to the 1 minute and see what it looks like on it. Well, as you can see, it's totally bouncing in and out of my support and resistance. It's actually cracked what would be my resistance, which if it continues, we'll just continue on a downward sequence. But it could also easily, you know, how many? So I need to put that countdown on the clock. I need that countdown back. Yeah, where's my countdown? Where is it? They're not gonna give me my countdown. All right, so this could easily go back up as well. What just doing? Hold on 1 second. All right, we're gonna mark some zones that we can hop in and out of. I'm not necessarily super thrilled. I mean, this looks like it's definitely gonna keep on selling, but it also definitely has the possibility of flipping back up. It's not that. You see what I'm looking at on the 3 minute? It was on a slight uptrend and consolidation for this area. So right here is going to really make the difference. It's either going to continue. It's either going to go up a little and continue in this consolidation area for a while, or this is the beginning of that drop down, or you got to have 2 to 3 analysis for all your trades, or as we can see right here, it can continue to shoot up. So there's my analysis for NAS100 right now. I think what I'm going to do is this. Put a line right there. I think I want to put a sell stop right there. I will go into my MT4 app and get the exact coordinates because again, I do not trade off of TradingView. No one trades off TradingView. No one trades off TradingView. So that should tell you something. Should tell you that you need to become friends with your MT4 app. I hope all of you were in Cyrus's MT4 training yesterday. It was really, really fucking good. So our 2 analysis, our buy and our sell stop analysis are gonna be, because it could easily buy back up. You know what I'm saying? Especially looking at it on MT4. Sheesh, I need to start just going off MT4 because I was seeing it so much easier. Guys, I'm gonna try broadcasting off MT4 one of these days and see how that works because I love broadcast. I love trading off MT4. I really don't trade off TradingView. I'm just doing TradingView because
That's what I wanted Tay to do. I wanted him to, like he used to do in Sauce Camp, how he used to trade off of MT4. I want him to do that at least one time so we can kind of see how he's popping and things like that. Just give a different perspective.
I mean, look, I'm gonna try this real quick because we have like 6 more minutes before we go into the session. I'm gonna try connect on my phone and making myself a host and show you what it looks like on TradingView because it looks so much better on TradingView, in my personal opinion. It's so much easier for me on TradingView as well. I can't even front like. How do I make myself a host, buddy? Oh, yeah, I go to the right before. Make the host. Change host.
Okay.
All right. Now. Okay. Did it change at all? Yeah. All right. Here we go. That didn't work at all. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. That didn't work. I thought it would work. Let me try this one more time.
Smile.
All right, cool. No, I don't.
I'm going to that car. Quiet.
All right. That's not working. All right, sorry about that, guys. I could not get that to work. I really thought it would work. So I will work on finding a way to share from my phone correctly next time.
I want to see who's always going to be here.
Mute yourself.
Always.
All right, cool. So look, we got 2 minutes till burpees. Honestly, should have already hopped into this fucking buy right here. I believe it's going to go up to about the 15.5436 area. Let me draw up a little rectangle so we can get in here. If you're on some scalp shit, when it gets up to the top of this orange line, look for it to come back down. And if it cracks the top of this orange line right here, you know it's going up. Same thing on this end right here. When it comes back down, if it comes back down, if it gets down here, look for it to reverse and go back up if it stays in this range. If it cracks this bottom line here, look for it to go down. So I am going to set buy stops and sell stops on both sides because I'm not looking to start scalping right now. But I did give you scalp parameters if you would like to scalp. Right. So again, for the people just getting into the room, welcome to Pips and Burpees, September 15th, 2021 edition. Real quick, because we are about to start working out, what we're gonna do is if you are scalping, this is your range. Again, when it gets to the top of the bottom of this rectangle is when you're going to look for it to come back down. That's when you'd be looking for sales. If it cracks here, start looking for buys. If it cracks here, definitely look for buys. Same thing with down here. If it gets back down to this area, cracks here, look for sells. If it gets back here, look for buys. And for the buy stops, I'm going to put a buy stop in at 5 minutes. And this is all off MT4 app. This is not off of trading view because trade off trading view again.
Hey, can you let me in on my laptop?
Oh yeah, definitely. It looks like, you know what? This is gonna be a little bit, you know what? It's not risking one. 15450 is where we're gonna put our buy stop. And this is on the MT4 app. Let me mark it up on here. What's it? 9/15/21. Buy stop at 15450. This is all on MT4 app. On MT4.
That's exactly where my buy break is too, on MT4.
Yes, ma'am. And I'm putting that in my phone right now as well because I ain't no fucking faker. If I'm gonna tell y'all to get into something, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get into that joint as well. And I'm doing it at a 0.01, so you know.
Are you on Hugo's or KOT?
I'm on Hugo's Way right now.
You could put that in as a buy stop?
Say what?
I saying you could put that in as a Oh, 450. Ha ha ha.
Yep, we're playing.
I'm there. I'm working.
Now, I do stop losses, but I do ridiculously big stop losses. So it's only for if there's like a super stupid spike. So let's go ahead and put that stop loss down at like 154.30. That's 20 points down. You know what I'm saying? 50, 30. Nah, let's put at 20. I'll go back and look at that on MT4F. Now the profit, where are we taking profit on this? 50. So I only do huge take profits and tell y'all to collect all the blue in between. So let's put up at 550. It's on some hopeful shit. Stop loss is going to be at 15420, and we'll put that down last because we don't do stop losses. Take profit is going to be. Oh man, it's telling me I only got 40 minutes. I'm gonna have to upgrade for the next one, guys. Take profit.
I was gonna say I have a unlimited link, so you can just let me know and I can send it to you because I'm not often up at 5 in the morning, so you can definitely use it. Or whenever you studying, you can definitely use it. Just let me know. Just DM me on Discord and I'll send it to you so you can use it.
Thank you, LaShonda.
No problem at all.
15,550, which is high as fuck. That's ridiculous. Nah, let's make our take profit is gotta be 15,549.5. 15,549.5. 495. And really anywhere that's blue, it's on you. You know what I'm saying? But when blue, it's on you. And how I tend to do it is I do a trailing stop loss and I wait for it to get about 7 to 10 points in the profit on NAS100, and then I just start trailing. And I trail it first above even, so that like if it knocked out, I would still get like $1 or $2 profit. Because if you do it right at even, you're just gonna get knocked out and lose a little bit of money. So yeah, that's our buy stop, and our sell stop is going to be at. You see that big ass dip? Where is it on the 5 minute? You know you like that 5. Go to the 5. Where are we? 5. Oh, 438, really? So that'd be like right about up here. 154.40. I think we're gonna go with 154.40. I'm gonna check it out on my MT4 app real quick to make sure it's Gucci. I usually have to put them in first. Sell stop 154.40. 154.
That's where I got my TP at. I got in at 15.444 when it did hit my cross, because I crossed mine up on MT4 like you got yours. So I got in when it didn't push past my cross. I'm like 1 point into pocket right now. My TP is at 15.540.
Yep, same here.
Excellent. And you know what that means? That's also, yeah, if it's gonna go for a crushing fall, that's the spot. All right, so if you're gonna get into a sell stop, you know what? I'm gonna adjust that because 15.540 is a good place to collect, but maybe not the best place to jump in.
I will put mine because I got my sell break at 15.438. but I wouldn't put my sell stop until like 15,435 or 34, just to clear that wickage over there so you don't get stopped in.
Oh, hold
Yeah, I have some at my major sell break is 413, but my in between zones I have 431, 420, and then the bottom is 400 down to 390.
See where you got your major stop at too.
You know
Looking on
what?
that 15-minute under that last lower. Yep. Yes, ma'am. That's where I got mine. Other one anyway.
You know what? I think since I'm looking at it and I'm not in anything, I still think that's a pretty good spot. Actually, a really good spot for a sell stop if I want to get into something right now would be 15,442, because once it cracks that, it's easily going to go down. But yeah, 15,438 on MT4F is where I'm going to go ahead and put my sell stop for today. 54. Man, this joint is so different from MT4F, I tell you. Yeah, that's crazy. That's reading a whole like 10 points difference.
Yeah, somehow it switched. It used to be closer, and then it just, with this update, they switched.
Yeah, I mean, it's dramatically different. I don't even.
This is like how we were with dealing with funding talent and doing the conversion.
Yeah, I still haven't done my funding talent. I don't know if I'm going to.
Yeah, not with all the issues. I'm kind of on the fence now.
Yeah, I failed the first time because I went crazy.
Me too.
And then it started having issues. They didn't even let NAS100. For our take profit for that is going to be shit. Let's hope it goes to 15425, but anywhere in between there is fine. And our stop loss, we're gonna do 38, 40, 48 at the most. Maybe 58 if you're nuts. 1, 5, 4, 4, 8.
Hey, Action.
Yes, ma'am.
On the buy stop, the TP, it looks like you have one too many numbers there. When you get a chance.
Yeah, I do. Thank you. Stop loss 15420. Take profit. Oh, that's on the one I'm on, right? Right. No, that's not the stop loss. That's done. Stop loss is going to be 14445. All right, guys. 15440 is where I have my sell stop. I'm sorry, 15440. It's time for us to do some burpees. I'm actually running a little bit late here. And that sell stop's about to activate. So sell stop activated.
Hey, Jack, I'm sorry, I woke up a little late. Your MT4, you said it's off by like 10 points. So for the buy stop, and you have the 15,450. So on MT4, I mean, on Trading View is actually 15,440.
No. Put exactly what I have written down on the screen. It says that we're about to run out in 1 minute. So what I'm gonna do is let this run out in 1 minute. We're almost in profit on our sell stop, and then I'm gonna put the link right back up into our Discord group.
Oh, okay,
It's
because
gonna
I
stop
couldn't
in 1
do
minute.
that.
Then I'm gonna put the link right back up. We're gonna bust out our burpees right afterwards. All right, guys?
Well, no, not that. I'm saying when I'm putting it on, because on my MT4 versus Trading View, there's
Mhm.
only 1 pip. There's only a 1 pip difference.
Okay, we'll talk
So
about
that's what I
that.
was saying.
Again, I'm about to share. This is gonna disconnect the Zoom because
Oh, okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
but I'm gonna put the link back into the Price Trappers chat in 1 minute, and we'll get right back